Alright, Kevin's back with more parts. Alright, so today Kevin's unwrapping a front splitter.
Yep.
Got the other one over here. So this is a 07 3LCI. This is the regular bumper, so got some color match splitters to put on, make this thing look a little bit nicer. So we're gonna start with this passenger splitter underneath here. 8mm here and here. So we're gonna take both of those out. It's pre-drilled. There and there, and then we have double-sided tape that was provided. Was this from eBay?
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's IKON Motorsports.
IKON.
I did buy it on eBay.
Got it. So yeah, IKON. So this should fit pretty nicely. I've used them in the past, I think. So yeah. So we'll put some tape on here. And it should bolt right up. Quick little test fit. So it hugs around this corner here. Caps are pretty good. I was just telling Kevin that most splitters have this like little gap back here, but fortunately since the car's red and this is red, you're not even gonna notice it, but we'll try to suck it in there as best we can. But even this is really good. So, yep, put some tape on. Be a quick and easy job. We've only got 3 pieces of tape on here. 1, 2, and 3. So it fits really snug around here on this side, so I'm not gonna worry about that. Plus we've got the 2 screws on the bottom, and I think this will hold pretty easily. All right. So I'll expose the tape, and then try to put this on very carefully. Very nice, very nice. I'm just gonna hold this here for like 20 seconds, make sure that the tape is adhering properly. And then we can put our 2 screws on the bottom. All right, passenger side is mounted. The holes underneath there lined up really well. So we've got our screw in there and right there. So fitment's really good. I'm pretty pleased with that. Okay, driver's side, same thing. 3 pieces of tape, pulled the screws out, 8mm on the bottom, just the 2. And we'll start over here, wrap this thing around. And then we can just hold this here for another like 20-30 seconds. All right, so driver's side is on. So technically this one screw on this far side on the edge here did not line up properly, but the way this thing wraps around the bumper, it's a pretty snug fit, so we're actually gonna leave that one off, but this one lined up nicely. And once again, we've got the tape here, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So I think that's gonna be it, but it's pretty good.